All right, in the next step, we're going to fill up the water in the tub. And while it's filling up, we're going to talk about the filtration system. The X-Flow filtration system is a very powerful cold plunge filtration system. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull two power cables from here. One is for the pump, and the other one is for the UV filtration system. And I'm going to route them from the back access hole that's here. We have a little grommet on here. Okay. So basically take off this twist tie and route the power through the back. These components are standard electrical components. They just plug into your standard 110 volt outlets. All right, so let's explore the X-Flow filtration system. The first feature we're going to talk about is this hair catcher. This hair catcher is designed to catch all of the hair and debris that's inside the tub. When you unscrew this, make sure to pay attention to this O-ring right here. This is an O-ring, and it must be here inside the hair catcher. This way you will not have any air or water leaking or air leaking into your system. Inside we have a reusable plastic filter. So when you're washing this, make sure to remove this out and really rinse this off. There shouldn't be anything in here. And you can simply put it back in and push this back in. You're gonna wanna clean this hair catcher every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks. It just depends on use. But if the pump ever starts making any unusual noises, this means you have to clean the hair catcher. Okay, next let's talk about the pump. This is our 200 watt, very powerful pump with a heat sink. This heat sink does heat up, therefore it pulls all the heat out of your water and it dissipates in the air. Make sure not to touch the heat sink because it does get warm and it does get hot. This pump features a water in and a water out. And again, it's the most powerful cold plunge in pumps are in any cold plunge, and just know you have the best. Our amazing water pump in the X-Flow filtration system has an automatic stop. What that means is that when you start your water pump, and if it is not primed and there's no water in it, it will try to start 5 times, and after that it will automatically shut off to preserve the life of the water pump. So if your water pump is not working, just simply make sure to turn it off, make sure there's water flowing to the pump, and turn it back on. All right, the next feature is our UV sterilizer. It's right here. It's 18 watts and it kills all of the bacteria, all of the germs, the algae that will run through your water. It features a 1-inch inlet and 1-inch outlet, and it is fully insulated just like everything else you see in here. And the last but not least is our filtration bottle. It features a 2.5 by 10-inch standard size water filter, and it is a 20 micron filter. So this is what's catching all of your dead skin, organisms, everything that basically the sterilizer kills gets captured within this filter. You will want to replace this filter every 2 weeks or 4 weeks, depending on use and hygiene. How to replace the bulb in the UV sterilizer or the filter are in the separate instruction videos in the maintenance guide. We also have instructions here and the QR code here for where to find these videos. So this is the X-Flow filtration system. It features 1-inch plumbing through everything inside, and everything is insulated. This is one of the most powerful cold plunge filtration systems that delivers cold and clean water experiences. All right, guys, the water is to our minimum line here. So we recommend initially filling the tub to the minimum line only during the first setup, just so you can see the flow and you can familiarize with everything else. Now that the water is at the minimum line, we are ready to start powering up our system.